First, I take my little flocker and I fill it full of the flocking, and then I apply the adhesive. So the first thing about flocking is you have to get the adhesive that matches the color of the flocking. A lot of people use paint and it works better without the fumes and doesn't dry as quickly. Always finish the wood you're going to be flocking first, and that way the glue or paint or whatever you're going to use doesn't get absorbed into it. So the trick is, while you're putting it on, you don't want it to dry because you're going to end up with bare spots. So what I did is I covered the whole thing, and then I kind of went back over some spots that looked like they were drying to me. And then all I'm going to do is use my little puffer to push it onto the sides of the box and the bottom of the box. And that way it gets a nice coating and it kind of like pushes it into the wood. So the trick with the flocking is when you think you're done, don't stop. My issue is I might have gone a little overboard. So as you can see, I got some blowback from using as much as I did and ended up completely covered in a fine coating of blue flocking. I basically flocked myself. And then you just wait 10 hours. I think it says 10 to 15. I did overnight. So it's probably like 12 hours. You dump out the excess and then you have a perfectly flocked box. It wasn't as difficult as I thought, but it was definitely messier than I expected. I'm totally going to be offering this now as part of my box options. It's super easy. It elevates the piece a lot, and I really enjoyed doing it.